Welcome, family, to Kingdom Academy Podcast, a community of like-minded daughters of the King who love the Lord, abide by His word, and submit to kingdom help that is healing, equipping, launching, and prospering in business and ministry. In this episode, we're going to discuss the one-on-one business strategy call and why it's so beneficial for you if you have a vision and you are looking to potentially hire a coach. So I know there's a lot of coaches and a lot of mentors out there who have these strategy calls, and I've been on quite a few of them myself. But we don't want to worry about if somebody is going to waste our time, or are they just getting us on there because they're going to pressure sales us into their program or their offer. So let's get into it, and we're going to talk about what my one-on-one business strategy call is like and how you might want to take advantage of it and get familiar with it. So let's get started. The call is a one-on-one call with me. This is a very valuable call because you get this one-on-one access with me. And I want it to be to your best advantage for you to when you take advantage of this call. So you're going to schedule this call. You're going to set aside specific time to do this call with me where it's going to be quiet. You're going to have no distractions. I'm going to do the same so that you can share with me what your vision is and how you would like it to look, or what areas you're struggling in and why you're struggling in them. Maybe you have a vision and you aren't sure how it's supposed to look. Maybe you don't quite have a vision yet and you just have little parts and pieces and you need someone to help you figure out how those parts and pieces can come together. So the great thing about this call with me is that I desire to help you get clarity by the end of the call. So even if you choose not to work with me as your specific coach, you will still walk away with value that will have been worth the time you spent. So what is a vision? This is your calling, your ideas, just the parts and pieces even of what that might be. That's what I mean when I say vision. And the one-on-one call means it's you and I together speaking alone about this thing. And why with me? Well, I want to help you on this call get clarity about your vision, how your vision can be positioned and shaped into something that can bring you passive income, and what that passive income can look like. But first, we'll need to know what you're looking for. What are you hoping to make? What is your dream? What goal? What financial needs do you have? And how can you over and abundantly achieve those goals? And then we'll kind of create an outline of this blueprint of your next steps. What do you need to do to take this vision and these ideas and turn it into something that can create that income for you? And that's why this call is beneficial, because even if you do not hire me or invest in any of my programs, you can still walk away with enough value from this call that if you're willing to put in the time and learn the parts and elements that you need to learn, you'll be able to run with this and launch your business with this. And I have had quite a few people who have after just having one call with me, which is really epically amazing, because that means they really got some good clarity and they got good direction in what their next steps are supposed to be. So how does this work on this call? So this conversation has a series of questions that I will ask that will help you get more clarity in these areas of your skill, of your offer, and of your promise. We'll identify who you want to serve and will be serving with your skills and needs and abilities. And we'll create an analysis that will connect you with your promised offer and the desired outcome. And we'll kind of look over a little bit of your schedule. What kind of schedule do you have now? What kind of schedule do you need to bring this to pass? And what kind of schedule do you need to bring this to pass in the time frame that you're hoping to bring this to pass in? Because that's really valuable as well. And then, so why is this call free? We have made it free, even though it is really valuable to get one-on-one access to a business coach, because we want to show you the value that we can give you. So this is a great sales strategy for a coach to do this. So even if you're looking into doing coaching or mentoring in business or whatever it is, this is a great strategy for that, because you can serve someone well. You can show them how you can serve them well. And that's what I intend to do on this call, is to show you how well I can serve you. I can show you how valuable it would be to work with me. But I also want you to walk away with step-by-step direction and what to do, so that if I'm not the right fit for you, you can go find another coach and work with them, or choose to work alone. But you will have that step-by-step direction of where to go next. And that is the value and the benefit of getting on the proper one-on-one business strategy call with a business coach. So that's why I want to encourage you to do this, because if not to hire my company or get involved and invested in a program, then to get the benefits of the call, to get that direction, that guidance, that counsel, the next step-by-step direction of where to go. Because that clarity can be the thing that transforms your business. I want to encourage you to get on one of these calls with me, because the best thing is that you're going to walk away with direction and with clarity. And it even better is possibly that you might choose to work with me, or that you might choose to invest in one of our programs. But if not, you will definitely have that next step direction of what to do. And that can pivot an entire vision to success. So be sure to check out the link that I'll be posting in the show notes of this episode to secure your one-on-one call with us. And I look forward to working with you and to hearing about your vision, your business, or even just the bits and pieces of something that is starting to come into focus. Oh yes, so lastly, I do want to say, sometimes you will find that a specific coach, maybe even me, is not a good fit for you. And that's okay. You need to find the coach and the mentor that works best with you. Somebody that speaks a language you understand. They have a style, a voice, a strategy that is cohesive with your vision and with you. So make sure to be honest on your coaching calls with others. Because if somebody's not a good fit for you, then say no. And also, at least with me, ask and say, I'm not sure this is a good fit for me right now, or maybe ever, but there's a different style I'm looking for. And if you let me know what that style is, I have a lot of friends who are in the Christian business coaching arenas, and I may be able to connect you with someone who is a good fit for you. So I look forward to getting on business strategy call with you, and be sure to click the link in the bio to schedule a call. Thanks for joining this conversation with us. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave us a review. For episodes, offers, or other guest information, please be sure to check the show notes. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for the next episode.